I know.
Just don't get too far, and I'll be right.
Ayan o, mag-ano na siya o.
Ones are so high.
Si Claude sana no, malakas loob nun, siya ganyan eh. Kaya nga dito nga. Ayan, paano na siya.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Oh, girl. Ang sarap niyan, dalawa sila pwede no. Nak, gusto mo nak tayo nak? Pwede pala bata oh. Why? I'm the driver. I'm the power. Oh, look.
I don't want to. I'm scared of heights.
Ah, yun lang. Oh, ganda naman. Wow, ganda ng lapag ah. Nag-enjoy ka? Jiwelo. Enjoy si Jiwelo.
Daddy, no, alam mo nang tumindi sa akin yung picture. Di masyado.
Tama, di ba yung crash on land? Tama kasi yung crash on landing nyo, gumamit silang ganito eh, di ba? Ano, di ba? Maling ano, ito yun eh. Galing oh. Parang may linya. Oh, lumagpas. Wow.
Then they
Ayun.
go to land. Let's go to land.
Yeah, galing ah. Oh yes. Galing, sakto.
Let's go to land.
Again.
Ayun ang ganda. Baby,
Look!
yan, dyan.
Oh, dito siya eh. Bumalik siya. Look, bumalik siya oh.
No!
Ah, yan, umikot. Galing oh. Oh.
It's so big.
Oh.
I think that's a flying competition.
Flying competition.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, yan oh. Hinihila niya oh. Ginagano niya. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Big.
Crash landing on you.
No! Landing.
Ayun pala yung landing nila.
Look, that one's very long.
Yes.
Yep.
What you want to buy?
So, ay, dami na nang binili mong chocolate.
Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Zurich Airport. Ayan. Mag-explore muna kami dito sa duty free. Jewel, right?
Hi! Yeah!
Hi!
Hi!
Tingnan mo lang anong anong gate.
Airport now.
Mommy
tell us we are very near. Mommy,
Lalinit pa?
guys.
O, ikot-ikot na tayo.
Guys,
Oh.
Mommy's grumpy though.
Mommy's grumpy. Ayan na. Wala, 848? Tama ba?
Wala pa.
British Airways pala yan, no? 1515? 1520 meron, no? British Airways pala yan. Meron na.
Game boy. Ow.
E?
Let's see. Let's see.
Ay, no, no.
E62?
E.
50. Joke naman.
Ah,
Oy, papunti.
let's go na. Doon kay mami. Muna kayo kay mami. Tinukuhaan kita video. Uy, sige, dandaan lang. Be careful. Mag-explore na kami sa duty free. Ayan. Dito tayo, oh. Dito.
Daddy, I want to eat.
E-gates. Ito, oh.
I'm hungry.
Sa baba, pa. Pupunta tayo sa baba. Ata. Umupo ka na ba tayo? Oh, careful. Si mami muna. Oh, go, Jewel.
You first.
Jewel.
Wow.
When mommy is in front. But when you go in front, it's dangerous.
Jewel, wag ka mo ano. Magkit kayo muna dyan. Igot lang ako. Nag-boarding na kami yung 8:60. Jewel kumakain ng sandwich. Yun ba? Yes, thank you. Ay, tapusin ko lang ito lang. Okay, that's that.
A button. Mommy said I can keep it.
Okay, you can keep it.
I can.
You can. Oh. Tingnan natin dito, alam mo yun dito, Be, oh. Gusto mo coffee? Want some coffee? Oh, sandwiches.
I know.
Sandwich. Kulay. Doon meron doon si Malo.
One there.
Oo, meron doon si Mami. Mami siya. Doon meron na si Mami doon pala. I know. Walang tao kasi maaga kami na rito. Ayan. Dito.
I know you wanna take it all too far. Stumble through the dark, trip into the stars. I know you want the dreams to come to life. I know just what you like, don't be surprised. I can read your mind. I can read your mind. I know what you like, 'cause I like it too. You don't gotta say what you wanna do. 'Cause I can read your mind. I can read your mind.
Tagal naman ni Jewel. Ayun na. Umihi si Jewel, oh. Ay, lalabas na si Jewel. What happened? Ba't kasi
So
daw?
it's squishing.
Eh,
Yes, squishing. Because so squishing.
ano ko?
I know how to do ano kasi.
Yan.
Ano pang tutok ang gusto mo? Aeroplano ka na naman, ha?